Have you ever wondered why your stomach growls? Well, it doesn't mean you're hungry as most people think. There's actually more to it than that. Stomach growling is caused by your digestive system working to move food and air through your intestines. The muscles in your stomach and intestines contract, and even if your stomach is empty, those muscles don't stop, they keep pushing air through, which makes the rumbling sound you hear. But the interesting thing is, your stomach actually growls all day, you just don't hear it when it's full of food because the food blocks the noise. So next time your stomach makes noise, it's not just begging for food, it's just doing its regular thing.